Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, how is everyone doing today? Today I'm gonna be making some chudwa. I'm not making with poha. I'm making with Rice Crispy cereal. It's very easy and it's very simple. And whenever in between the meals, if you get a little hungry, it's a very good snack. Or maybe with the tea, you can serve with the tea. It's also very good. If anybody comes all of a sudden, if you have this, you can serve them with the tea. So okay, let's go see how to make this dish. Okay, I just heated up the pan. We're gonna pour some oil in there, maybe a little bit more. To fry all the nuts. Okay friends, our oil is hot, so I'm gonna start frying each nut separately. I have some almonds. I'm gonna first fry them for a while because each nut takes a different time to fry, to cook. So I'm gonna do this first. Okay, my almonds are ready. They're popping. Change the color. Okay, so we're gonna start removing them, and I have some paper towel over here. I'm gonna put it in there so it absorbs the oil if you have any excess oil in there. Okay, now we're gonna add some cashew nuts. Cashew nuts don't take too long to fry, so you should fry them a little bit low flame. So it will take some time, but they're going to be fried all the way inside, cooked inside. So you don't want raw nuts. Okay, I'm going to remove them. They're ready. I have 1 cup of peanuts. This as much as you want it, you can put it. You don't have to measure it or anything. If you like more peanuts, you can put more peanuts. If you like more cashew nuts, you can put whatever the nuts you like more. If you don't like some nuts, a lot of people are allergic to peanuts, so please do not put the peanuts if you are allergic to peanuts. Okay, you can put any other nuts but the peanuts. Okay, we're done with the peanuts. Now we're gonna fry some coconut, little slices of coconut. I like coconut, a little bit roasted coconut in there. This tastes real good. Okay, this is done. Now we are gonna go to the main thing. We're gonna put tadka. Okay friends, we fried all the nuts. Now we're gonna make tadka, tempering. I clean up the pot. I threw all the old oil because the oil was dirty. So I'm going to add some new oil in there. Not much, just a little bit. Maybe 2-3 spoons. Again, when the oil gets hot, we're going to put some mustard seeds and cumin seeds in there. Okay? I think the oil is hot. I can see the smoke is coming up. So I'll add that. Once the mustard starts cracking, mustard has to crack, otherwise it doesn't taste good at all. See? I can hear them start cracking little, slowly. See? I have this big Rice Crispy cereal box. You can use a small one, but I make a lot. So I take some for my son and we eat some over here because it's like very light, so we can eat. We're adding some dry red pepper. Okay, now I'm gonna add this curry leaves. If you fry this curry leaves, it tastes very good in there. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'll wash them and dry them in the paper towels. Okay, now we are going to add, I'm going to reduce the flame. I'm going to add 1 spoon of turmeric powder, and do not burn the spices. Put the flame very low, and then pepper powder, red pepper if you want to eat hot, otherwise you don't have to add it. I feel like a little spicy, so I'm going to add a little bit pepper, that much, not too much. Okay, then I'm going to add all these nuts in there, back. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Whatever the nuts we fried, we're going to put it back in there and add some salt. Salt to taste as much as you want, because already Rice Crispy had some salt in there, so we are not going to add too much, a little bit. So now all the peanuts and nuts is coated with the spices. Now we are going to add Rice Crispy cereal as much as you want. I'm going to pour as much will fit in my pot. I think it might fit the whole thing in there. Let me see. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So if you use murmure puffed rice, they get saggy after a couple of days. The Rice Crispy cereal never gets saggy. It stays fresh for months. This can stay with in the containers for months on the countertop. Now I'm going to go back. I think I'm going to add the rest of it. It's going to fit in my pot. I have a lot of mixture. Okay. Now we have to fry for a little while. Looks yummy, huh? Okay, now the secret ingredients. If you want, you can make this stuff, but I just bought it from the store. Some spicy little save, you know. You can mix this in there after it cools down. I also have some other mix, like a Kashmiri mix, whatever the mix you like it. Just mix it in there after it cools down, not right now. Okay. Need a little bit more salt. Okay. We like a little bit spicy. It's not that spicy, so I'm going to put a little bit of pepper. Sprinkle a little bit more green red pepper. Okay, I'm gonna wait for until it cools down. I'm gonna turn the stove off. Okay friends, it's cold now. We can add this. Okay, we're adding some of this mixture, not the whole thing. I don't like too spicy. Also, this one. Okay. So we just mix this like this. so yummy. Look, with the cereal, what you can do with the Rice Crispy cereal. You can make a yummy, yummy snack. And how we serve? Let me show you how we serve. I serve like this. 1 spoon of this. And okay, a little bit of onions. And a little bit of green peppers. All optionals. That's your preference, whatever you want to do it. Some cilantro. I have a big leaves in there. Okay, some lemon juice. Squeeze some lemon juice. Okay friends, if you like my recipe, please click like, share and subscribe. Okay, see you next video. Bye.